Hey.
Hey,
how are you doing? Oh, it's Hello.
I'm Paul.
I'm Dos.
Nice to meet you, Dos. And you guys are from Kenya?
Yep.
Where did you come from today?
Kali.
Oh, cool. How did you find it? Oh, it was very hot. This is Colombia. We are in an area called Finlandia, and this is the landscape. We're actually coming for a coffee farm tour that is gonna end up in a waterfall. Our main attraction for us is waterfall, but the coffee farm tour is also not a bad thing because Colombia has one of the best coffees. But just see the landscape. Like, these are not hills. They're not even, I don't know, I can't call them mountains. They're not hills. It's like this, all over. Two hours later.
Use like organic matter to fertilize. We like
The
coffee pulp. We use it to make the compost,
Okay.
and we add something else like chicken poop,
Okay.
like all kind of organic, like fruit skins, fruit skins, like like eggs shell, and many other things, and we mix it
Okay.
until it gets dry, and we fertilize the whole plant. and it dries faster. But it's almost alike of the traditional dryer, coffee dryer here in Colombia. People here in Colombia in the coffee farms, they use their house.
So today I've spent the day reminding myself my life many years ago when we used to pick coffee, take it to Carrier, do the getates on Saturdays. You know, Godura Kahoa, Koshagora, Boni, Grade A. I've remembered so many things. I've remembered Morimo Kamwaro. Like it's just been going down the memory lane today. But listening how the Colombians prepare their coffee, how they take care of it was pretty interesting. A number of things that they do that we don't do. They also process their own coffee in their farms, which we don't do. So I've learned something, of course. Here, this is what paid my school fees. This is what brought me to where I am.
Coffee is from there. It was that is like a lab machine, that roaster machine. The coffee in a level like 900 meters above the sea.